Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add admin commands to your Roblox game using HD admin. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox Studio and select the game you want to add it. Choose a template to start fresh and click View and click Toolbox and search for HD admin and drag it to your game. This adds the admin system to your workspace. And here in the Explorer, open the HD admin folder and double click the settings. Add your Roblox username between the quotes under head admin and separate multiple names with commas if you want more admins. Then click play and you'll see the HD button in your game. Click it to view commands like fly, speed, or ban for testing. And that's how you can add admin commands to Roblox under 2 minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.